think in fintech, Europe has a very strong case actually for developing local grown champions. So, if you just look
In
at the likes
certain
of,
kind of areas, in my opinion, are even stronger than the US. Like, for
Yeah,
example, take a look
exactly.
at digital banking and neobanking. They still lack a
Yeah,
regional champion there.
exactly. You've got Chime, in some form, but if you look at Europe, we've got
Yeah,
Revolut, we've got Monzo, we've got, these other
but I
fantastic
think that,
businesses.
yeah, I always get the point about Chime. It's a very
Yeah,
good company. They're going to file for the IPO this year, so it's a huge company. But if you take a look at the numbers, they're not even in the same range of Revolut or Nubank. So they're way smaller. They're growing, of course, but not in the same way, not in the same pace and everything else. So I think that, for example, in Europe, maybe this is the only space where regulation actually helped us a lot, because it established a lot of the rules that a digital bank or a neobank should follow in order to grow. So
yeah.
you actually follow all the rules and you can actually grow without any big problem. And that was a very good advantage, for example, for Revolut and 26 and all the others.
They have a lot of practice going into new markets around
Exactly,
Europe, so they can do it everywhere else as well.
if you can do that in Europe, you can actually
Yeah,
do that everywhere, basically.
yeah,
And I think that the US had a little bit of that problem,